I went and bought your guys' product that day and started using it. And right then, I was actually in the process of building a really big e-commerce site for a client. So I implemented it on the very first site, which I'm going to tell you, and we launched the first website with it, and I never looked back. Since then, I've implemented it on 100 different websites total on e-commerce sites in the last like 16 to 18 months. 25 of those we maintain for clients. The most recent victory we had, I think I shared with you guys, I had a client do a sale over this last 4th of July here, and because of a very basic funnel, we had actually 4 days to get him a strategy built that he approved, an implementation, and started before his sale. He actually made his best numbers ever and doubled every sale he's ever had in profit. One, I'm going to tell everybody that's listening to this, go buy and figure it out and watch the great YouTube videos and ask questions, because, you know, you guys are awesome over there at answering questions. Every time I have a question, I shoot them off and I get an answer. Actually, it's really crazy. Sometimes I'll get answers like at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, my time, which I know has got to be pushing midnight, 1 o'clock over there. So I'm like, you know, okay, that's not what I expected. If you're running a WooCommerce shop and you're not using FunnelKit, you're leaving money on the table. It's very simple. Honestly, you guys make the one product that we can't complain about. Like a lot of the other stuff that we use, I'm like, hey, here's where it falls short. Here's what I wish it did. And what I find with all your products is I'm like, okay, it does everything I can think it needs to do. What are they going to do next?